Sulfur Fungicide Chemical Class. Inorganic contact. Fungicide mode of action. Sulfur establishes a protective surface barrier, effectively inhibiting fungal spore germination. Formulation: water-dispersible granules for convenient application. Best uses: powdery mildew. Control: proven effectiveness in melon, cucumber, grapes, apple, and various fruits. Brown leaf spot in rice crops. Broad-spectrum fungicide, a reliable defense against diverse fungal diseases by impeding spore germination. Recommended dose: 10 granule for optimal efficacy in disease prevention. Subscribe to our Pesticides Info YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.